So I'm going to be putting the stripe kit on the 52-inch Z3X. Let me show you the kit real quick. My camera's kind of at a funky angle here. So you have the metal strap, you have the rubber flap, which is more of a conveyor belt type of flap. Looks like it's pretty durable. And then you have your bolts, washers, and nuts. Now I just put the one on the 61-inch, and this one goes on pretty similar. You put a washer on the bolt, put the bolt through the metal strap, and then through the rubber flap and through the back of the deck, and it just sandwiches that rubber flap to the back of the deck. So get the camera set back and we'll go ahead and put it on, guys. I have my bolt with the washer on it, my metal strap, my rubber flap, and then all I have to do is match it up to the holes and put the nut on, like so. And then of course do that for each one. I'm leaving these pretty loose, so I've got room to move it back and forth. And I'm also using the lower holes. There's an upper and a lower set of holes. I cut high, so I want to keep this down as low as I can. This is a pretty easy install, guys, and it's really nice that all of the holes are pre-drilled, and I don't have to try to run a drill bit through. You know, if you've ever tried to drill holes in a deck, in the back of the deck like this, it's probably one of the most awkward places. And I mean, unless you've got a 90-degree drill or something, it's about impossible. So it's nice to have the actual stripe kit from Ferris, where everything is already done for you and all you have to do is bolt it on. Okay, they're all in place, so now I just have to tighten them up.